seek the presence and the blessings of the Almighty, let us start the program with a prayer song.
தமிழ் தாய் வாழ்த்து by a school choir.
Now I request our honorable correspondent sir to hoist our national flag, followed by the flag song and the pledge.
தாயின் மணிக்கொடி பாரி அதை தாழ்ந்து பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரி. தாயின் மணிக்கொடி பாரி ஓங்கி வளர்ந்ததோர் கம்பம், ஓங்கி வளர்ந்ததோர் கம்பம், அதன் உச்சியின் மேல் வந்தே மாதரம் என்று பாங்கி எழுதி திகழும், பாங்கி எழுதி திகழும் செய்யப்பட்டொலி வீசி பறக்குது பாரி. தாயின் மணிக்கொடி பாரி அதை தாழ்ந்து பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரி. தாயின் மணிக்கொடி பாரி கம்பத்தின் கீழ் நின்ற காணி, கம்பத்தின் கீழ் நின்ற காணி, எங்கும் காணரும் வீரர் பெருந்திரள் கூட்டம். நமக்குரிய அவ்வீரர், நமக்குரிய அவ்வீரர் தங்கள் நல்லுயிரிந்தும் கொடியை காப்பர். தாயின் மணிக்கொடி பாரி அதை தாழ்ந்து பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரி. தாயின் மணிக்கொடி பாரி.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all my elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
And now I request Jashwant of 5th Metric to give the welcome address.
Very good morning to the Honorable Chief Guest of the day, respected Principal, respected teachers, parents and all my dear friends. I am very happy to have the opportunity to express my thoughts on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. Today on 15th August, India is celebrating its 74th Independence Day. Just 74 years back, India got its independence from the British rule. At the midnight hour of August 14, 1947, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru rose to address the nation and made his maiden speech in New Delhi as the first Prime Minister of India. Now, India is the largest democracy of the world. Our nation is a sovereign, sovereign, secular, democratic republic and we are its proud citizens. But let me remind you all that independence was not the end of the struggle. It was just the beginning of our greatest challenge of building a prosperous nation by keeping its varied culture and heritage. As Jawaharlal Nehru quoted, the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. So as responsible student of our nation, it's our duty to work for the will of our citizens and address the various social, cultural, political and economical issues that we are facing today. Even though we have aligned freedom, there is a large section of society in our nation who are deprived of these privileges and still struggle for a better life. So my dear friends, we can be their voice. Together, we can conquer all these challenges and can create a better nation. Come, let's join hands to make the world realize that India is going to be the world's superpower one day. Wishing you all the happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Children are always special and they are found to be the real blessings from the Almighty, and watching such children to perform is always something to be more delightful. Here comes our angels from the kindergarten, dressed up like freedom fighters and to perform as well.
Good morning to all. My name is T. Shamba Vanshan. I am studying in LKG. My character name is Ram Prasad Bismil. I was born on 11 February 1897. I was a freedom fighter in India freedom struggle. I believe reborn again. I will be reborn again. This is my motherland again. Happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind. Tilak, Faraj is my birthday. I also have it. Jai Hind. Good morning, everyone. I am 100% a British woman. I am one of the women in Indian freedom struggle. I became the first woman president of the Indian National Congress. One of my famous quotes is, India is a country in which every great India finds a home. Thank you. Good morning to all. I am Sadavi. Studying LKG Metric. I am the first to fight for the freedom of India. I am the Princess Ramanathapuram. I am known as Veeramangai. Thank you all. Morning. My name is Deepika. I am my LKG. I am known as freedom fighter. Thank you, Lighting of India. Vande Mataram. life on their own terms. They manage their life comfortably and independently. But my life is not so easy and comfortable. I fought for everything. My name is Savitribai Jyoti Rao Phule. I am first lady teacher of women's school in India. I fought for girls' education and child education. I at Jyoti Rao Phule started first girls' school in Pune in Bhedewada in 1948, and I became a strong voice of gender equality. I fought against the dominant caste system of India for my entire life. When I see girls reach to Mars, I feel my hard work.
To everybody, I am MST of UKG Metric. Today I am going to speak about Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was one of the greatest freedom fighters of India. She was born on 19th November 1828 in the town of Varanasi. Her childhood name was Manikarnika. Her father name was Merupan and mother was Bhagirathi. When she was young girl, her father encouraged her to ride elephants, horses, and to use weapons. She grew up with Nana's side. She was married to the ruler of Jhansi, Raja Gangadhar Rao, in 1842, and she was called Rani Lakshmibai. Let us remember her great leaders and follow their footsteps and is sufficient. Thank you, J.N.
Good morning, everybody. I am Ritika Vasi of UKG. I am going to speak about our great freedom fighter Indira Gandhi. Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi was born on 19 November 1917. She was an Indian politician of the Indian National Congress. She was the third Prime Minister of India. Thank you. Happy Independence Day to all. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.
Hi, good morning everybody. I am Vishnu. I am UKG ICSE. I am going to talk about our great freedom fighter Rajaram Mohan Rai. Rajaram Mohan Rai was born in Radhanagar of Hooghly Presidency. He was a great scholar. He successfully fought against Shetty polygamy, child marriage, caste system. He believed in the social equality of all human beings. Thank you.
I am Beg S. Kanishka, studying UKG ICSE. Adab. I am Begum Ashraf Mahar, Queen of Wajid Alisha. I was born in Faizabad in 1820. I was one of the first female freedom fighter of India. When Wajid Alisha exiled to Kolkata, I took charge of Awadh. I fight against Britishers
to secure India. Finally, I found asylum in Nepal and I died there in 1879. Later, government honored me at Old Victoria Park at Lucknow. Issued commemorative stamp in my name and started Begum Asad Mahal National Scholarship for Girls Education. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. I am Yamita. You can see me. I am going to think about Great Kindergarten Annagare. I am Priya Borratari. I was Paviliati Woman Annagare Award 16 June 1927. He is an Indian social activist, silver woman to promote rural development, Indian government, 1970 and Indonesia and Peninsular in our life. Thank you, everybody. Jai Hind. Ma'am, I'm telling about. My name is Gautam Swaminathan.
Studying in LKG.
I'm studying in LKG.
I am telling about
I'm telling Ramachandra Panduranga.
al-
He's a freedom fighter,
also known as
also known as
Tantiato,
Tantia Tom,
follower
follow
of
of
Nana Sahib
Nana
Shahid.
Shagi.
Now I call upon Jashwantita of class 7th ICSC to give a speech in Hindi.
को मेरे आदर प्रणाम। मेरा नाम है जशवंतिया, 7वीं कक्षा ICSE। मेरे प्रधानाचार्य जी, टीचर और मेरे प्यारे दोस्त, आप सबकी स्वतंत्रता दिवस ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। जैसा कि हम सब जानता है, 15 अगस्त 1947 को भारत पूर्ण रूप से आज़ादी मिली, लेकिन इस आज़ादी के लिए भारतीय स्वतंत्रता सेनानी मंगल पांडे, महात्मा गांधी जी, भगत सिंह, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल समेत कई नेताओं और देशवासियों ने बलिदान दिया। यह हमारा राष्ट्रीय त्योहार है। इस दिन राजधानी दिल्ली से हमारा प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर राष्ट्रीय ध्वज फहराते हैं। 15 अगस्त यानी हमारा स्वतंत्रता दिवस है। इस वर्ष भारत 75वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस मना रहा है। स्वतंत्रता दिवस हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। यह एक मात्र दिन है जब हम अब शहीदों को याद करते हैं। इसका चार्ज हिमालय में, जहाँ बहती गंगा है, जहाँ एकता में एकता है, सत्यमेव जयते जहाँ नारा है, जहाँ मजहब भाईचारा है, वो वतन इंडिया हमारा है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Action speaks much better than the words. And now, our children are about to enact a drama with the theme of unity in diversity.
ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तो कौम पे लुटाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा। ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तो कौम पे लुटाए जा।
अपने रंग में रंग लो हे माँ दुर्गे, तुम अपने रंग में रंग लो हे माँ दुर्गे। ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तो कौम पे लुटाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए।
बढ़ाए जा, तू शेरे हिंद आगे बढ़, मरने से फिर भी तू न डर, उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर, जोशे वतन बढ़ाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा।
ஏனை மக்கள் மோடி மழைக்க இதழ் குவித்த வேளையில் வான் வரைக்கும் இலக்கியங்கள் வரைந்த தேசம் இந்தியா. காந்தி தேசம் இந்தியா, கற்பின் தேசம் இந்தியா, அக்னி தேசம் இந்தியா, அகிம்சை தேசம் இந்தியா. மானம்
कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा।
அச்சமில்லை 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 அச்சமென்பதில்லையே அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே
இச்சகத்து உள்ளோரெல்லாம் எதிர்த்து நின்ற போதினும்
அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே
துச்சமாக வெண்ணி நம்மை தூறு செய்த போதினும்
அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே
இச்சை வாங்கி உண்ணும் வாழ்க்கை பெற்றுவிட்ட போதினும்
அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே
இச்சை கொண்ட பொருளெல்லாம் இழந்து விட்ட போதினும்
அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே
இந்தியன் என்று சொல்வோம், அந்த சொல்லில் பெருமிதம் கொள்வோம். தீங்கற்ற தேசம் படைக்க நம் கைகளை இணைத்துக் கொள்வோம். இந்தியன் என்று சொல்வோம், அந்த சொல்லில் பெருமிதம் கொள்வோம். தீங்கற்ற தேசம் படைக்க நம் கைகளை இணைத்துக் கொள்வோம். நம் மொழிகள் வேறாயினும் நாம் ஒரு தாய் மக்களே. நம் நிறங்கள் வேறாயினும் நம்மில் வேற்றுமை இல்லையே. யுத்தங்கள் மாறனும் சமாதானம் பிறக்கணும். ஜாதி வேற்றுமை இல்லாமல் நாம் ஒன்றாய் வாழணும். இளைஞர் சமுதாயம் இன்றே எழுந்து நீதியை நாட்டணும். இளைஞர் சமுதாயம் இன்றே எழுந்து நீதியை நாட்டணும். நம் தேசத்தை உயர்த்தணும்.
Next, I would like to call upon Pratika of Class 7 ICSE to present a poem in Tamil.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் சி பிரதிகா, 7ஆம் வகுப்பு சிக்ஷா பள்ளியில் பயிலுகிறேன். சுதந்திர தின கவிதை. பாரதம் மாற்றுவோம். பெற்ற சுதந்திரம் போற்றி இருந்தும் மற்றவர் மெச்சிட பாரதம் வளர்த்தோம். முற்றிலும் மாற இன்று காண்கிறோம். சற்றே சிந்தித்து செல்வழி மாற்றுவோம். வீட்டிருக்க நல் மாளிகை சிலருக்கு, கீற்று கொட்டகை வீடென சிலருக்கு, தோற்றம் முதலை செல்வம் சிலருக்கு, 100ல் பாதி நலிவர் பசிக்கு. ஏற்றத்தாழ்வு அநேகம் இங்கே, வேற்றுமை நமக்குள் அதிகம் இங்கே. காற்று போன பைகள் இங்கே, நீற்று போன நெருப்பு இங்கே. தூற்றல் போல சிறிதாய் துவங்கி, ஊற்றும் மழையென மாறி பெருகி, ஆற்று வெள்ளம் போல உயர்ந்து, ஏற்றம் காண எழுவோம் முனைந்து. சேற்றில் விழுந்த மலர்களை எடுப்போம், ஆற்றில் குளித்து மணக்கச் செய்வோம். நாற்றை பிடுங்கி நட்டு வைப்போம், போற்றும் படியாய் வளர்ச் செய்வோம். நேற்று என்பதை அறவே மறப்போம், தோற்று போன சரித்திரம் துறப்போம். ஊற்று நீர் என புதிதாய் எழுவோம், மாற்றி புதிய பாரதம் அணிவோம். ஜெய் ஹிந்த். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
The video which you are about to witness right away now, it is a tribute to all those souls who sacrificed their everything, I mean everything, just for the freedom of the entire nation and the freedom what we are enjoying right away now.
Years ago, we dismissed with destiny.
Now the time comes for us to redeem our pledge.
And the stroke of the midnight hour when the world sleeps,
India will awaken
To life and freedom. A moment comes, which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new.
And when the soul of a nation,
long suppressed, finds utterance.
The ambition of the greatest man of our generation
has been to wipe tears from every eye.
As long as there are tears and sufferings,
So long our works will not be over. Under India, the ancients,
And the heavenly, we paid our reverent homage.
find ourselves afresh to her service.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Vellore Mutiny 1801. Vellore Mutiny was the first instance of a mutiny by Indian soldiers against the British. Indian soldiers of Madras Infantry in Vellore revolted against the East India Company. The brutal revolt lasted only one day, and the British responded savagely by blowing away many mutineers by cannons. Some foolish orders were passed by Sir John Cradock and Lord Houghton, the commander-in-chief in Madras, to regulate the dress of the sepoys. The sepoys were forced to serve under the company since their earlier patrons disappeared. The earlier patrons were their kinsmen and the British were foreigners. The inability to assimilate also led to increase in discontent against the British. The English treated the Indian sepoys as their inferior. There was racial prejudice. This provided the psychological base for the mutiny. Vellore Mutiny was preceded by numerous other outbreaks, like the revolt of the 1st Regiment, attempts of Fetter Haidar, the first son of Tipu, to ally against the British provided a stimulus for the mutiny on the midnight of the 10th of July, 1806. The crowd got collected, sepoys mixed with them led by one of Tipu's sons, massacred the Europeans and hoisted the flag of the Mysore Sultanate out there. The uprising was swiftly crushed by Colonel Gillespie. 800 Indian soldiers were found dead in the fort alone. 600 soldiers were imprisoned in Tiruchi and Vellore. The mutiny was subdued by dawn, though it sent ripples of fear among the British overlords, as the first sign of losing an empire. Reasons of failure: lack of organizational structure, ammunition, and leadership was the primary reason for the failure of the revolt. But it was the starting point of a new era of the resistance of the sepoys to British rule. The resistance of the local chieftains marked the 18th century. The resistance of sepoys marked the first 6 decades of the 19th century. V.D. Savarkar calls the Vellore Mutiny of 1806 the prelude to the first war of Indian independence in 1857. Therefore, the Vellore Mutiny paved the way for the Indian freedom struggle.
Next, I would like to request Bhumika of 10th Metric to give the word of thanks.
A warm and graceful day to all. Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Correspondent Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, most valued parents, and my dear friends. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion of Independence Day. Our first and foremost thanks goes to freedom fighters, the creators of this independent world. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. It's our correspondent sir who always gives direction and motivation to us to learn and try out new ways to do things better. Thank you so much, sir. To the world, you can maybe just be a teacher, but to your students, you are a hero. A big thanks to our principal ma'am and our beloved teachers who are our role models and acted as a support person when we need their help. Every family is a university and the parents are the best teachers, said by Mahatma Gandhi. When the schools and family work together, the children do better. A good parental support helps us to be positive, healthy, and a good lifelong learners. A heartfelt thanks to all our lovely and supportive parents. Our happiness is a bunch of real friends who care. I extend my heartfelt thanks to all my friends. Teamwork made the dream work. Your cooperation and effort made difficult things easier. Sincere thanks to all of your support and uniting efforts. Wish you a happy Independence Day. Thank you.
We have come to an end, and let us all join together to rise up for the national anthem. Thank you.